In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with drawing tools in TradingView Mobile. TradingView is a powerful platform for traders and investors, and knowing how to effectively use its tools can enhance your technical analysis. Let's dive in and explore these features on your mobile device. To start, make sure you're on your chart within the TradingView mobile app. Whether you're using it for stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies, having your chart ready is the first step. It's crucial because the drawing tools we'll explore are applied directly on these charts to help you better analyze market trends and price movements. Now, once your chart is open, it's time to locate the drawing tools. Look for the highlight, which is typically represented by a pencil icon or something similar on the mobile interface. This will open up a menu displaying a variety of drawing tools you can utilize. It's important to familiarize yourself with this, as these tools play a vital role in marking patterns and noting critical price points on your charts. Moving on to basic drawing tools, these are essential for any trader, whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro. Here you'll find simple geometric shapes like lines, rectangles, or circles. These can be used to draw trend lines, resistance levels, and support zones, which are foundational concepts in technical analysis. Using these basic shapes can significantly aid in visually organizing what you're seeing in the market data. Next, let's look at the advanced tools. These go beyond simple shapes and include more sophisticated options like Fibonacci retracements or channels, which can give more depth to your analysis by helping predict future price movements based on historical patterns. Don't be daunted if these initially seem complex. With practice, they can provide powerful insights into market dynamics, aiding you in making more informed trading decisions. Lastly, let's discuss editing and customization. This aspect is crucial because it allows you to tailor your drawings to better suit your analytical needs. You can change the colors, line styles, and thickness of your drawings, ensuring they align with your strategy and personal preferences. This customization can enhance clarity and focus, enabling you to discern your market trends and analyses much easier, especially in fast-moving markets. There you have it, a concise guide on how to work with drawing tools in TradingView Mobile. Remember, the more you practice using these tools, the more intuitive they will become, so don't hesitate to spend some time exploring each feature. This will not only enhance your TradingView experience, but also elevate your overall trading strategy. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy trading!